differentiation at all. Why does the exponents move down?
Basic calculus again.
Yeah, especially the rules of differentiation.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, and today we will be discussing about rules of differentiation. So to begin with, what exactly is rules of differentiation? So rules of differentiation is finding the derivative of a function. But what does a derivative tells us? A derivative tells us the rate of change or the slope of tangent line at any point of the curve. So with that let's get started and stay tuned.
Let's get started with constant rule, where f of x equals c, then f prime of x equals 0. For example, f of x equals 7, then f prime of x equals 0. Why? Because constants don't change, so their rate of change is 0. Next is the power rule. Power rule is one of the most used rules in calculus, where if f of x equals to x raised to 5, then f prime x is equal to n times x raised to x minus 1. For example, we have f of x equals to x raised to 5, then f prime x is equal to 5x raised to 4. If you're gonna ask yourself about where did the exponent 4 came from, it's because we deducted the exponent 5 earlier by 1 and then we get the exponent 4. And then, what if the given item has already a coefficient? Then we need to follow two steps, which are the step 1 is to keep the coefficient, and then the step 2 is to multiply the coefficient by the exponent. For example, we have f of x equals 3x squared. Then the coefficient 3, we're gonna multiply it to the exponent 2, then we will have 6x. Then the final answer will be f prime x equals 6x.
Now is the difference rule. The difference rules work the same way, just keep the minus sign. If f of x equals g of x minus h of x, then f prime x equals g prime x minus h prime x. For example, if f of x equals x cubed minus 5x, the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared, and the derivative of 5x is 5. So the final answer is f prime x equals 3x squared minus 5. So the next is the sum rule. The sum rule allows us to differentiate term by term. If f of x equals g of x plus h of x, then f prime x equals g prime x plus h of x. For example, if f of x equals x squared plus x, the derivative of x squared is 2x, and the derivative of x is 1. So the final answer is f of x equals 2x plus 1.
Of course, a lesson can't end without an example. So for our example, we will have f of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 4x minus 6. And to find the differentiation of that function, we will have to derive them step by step. For 2x cubed, you will just have to multiply the 3 to the 2 and deduct 1 in the exponent, so the result will be 6x squared. So next is the 4x. So of course, the same process, you will have to multiply what is the exponent, and you'll just have to imagine that there's a 1 in there times 4, then deduct the exponent again, so the answer will just be 4. And of course, in the constant, which is the 6, you will have to remind yourself about the constant rule. So the constant rule states that the constant has no change, so it will be 0. So for the final answer of that function, you will have f prime x is equal to 6x cubed minus 4. And that's it. So as a reminder, you will have to Be careful of the constant rule, be reminded of the power rule, and just practice, practice, practice. Because that's the key in finding differentiation.
And that's it for the rules of differentiation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.